everyone, it's Hannah and I've got lovely Isla with me and we have a little cardio skipping workout for you today. So if you grab yourself a skipping rope and make sure you've got lots of space around you, and let's get started. Okay, so when you're ready, you're going to start with single skips. So just bouncing in your skips. Good job. Good, well done. Now we're going to change to rocking horse skips. So your right foot forward and you're going to rock yourself forward and back. Good, well done. And if at any point you get yourself in a tangle, don't worry, just keep skipping. All right, let's change to the left. So left foot forward for your rocking horse skips. Good, well done. Keep breathing. We're going to go to hops on the right. So you're going to do one-footed skips. And again, these are getting a little bit trickier. So if you need to take a break, if you get in a tangle, don't worry, join back in with us. Good. And let's swap it over to the left. So hops on the left. Good job. And you can go for a little double bounce like Isla just did, or you can go single hops, a little bit harder. Good. All right, next one, we're going to go for our crossovers. So you're going to jump and cross it over. Yeah, and if you get in a tangle, just untangle and join us back in. Skipping's great for getting your heart rate up. This is a perfect little mini workout to do before you do any of our other little challenges or any strength work or any stretching. Great for getting you nice and warmed up. Awesome. All right, keep going with your cross skips. And our next one, we're going to do 3 double bounces, and then we're going to try and do a double skip. This is getting tricky now. So we're going to double bounce, double bounce, double bounce, and then double skip. Woo, good. So you're going to try and get that rope round twice. Woo, so 3 little double bounces, and then try for your double skip. Good job. Nice, well done. Let's go for one more double bounce, double skip, and then we're going to start the whole thing from the top. Good. Nice. All right, back to your regular skips. Let's go. Can you go a little bit quicker? Speed skip, using your wrists, not your arms. Rocking horses on the right. Good. And rocking horses on your left. Swap it over. Moving through them a little bit quicker now. Nice. Good job. Then we got hops next. Hops on your right. Good. You can do double bounce or you can speed it up. Hops on your left. Good. Well done. All right, we've got your double bounces and then your double skip. Give it a try. It's one to aim for, one to work on. Good. Good, nice. Well done. All right, let's go with some double bounce skips to finish. Let's check our heart rates are up nice and high. Double bounce skips. Good, and trying to point through your feet. So every time you jump, you're stretching those feet and landing through. Good job. Okay, let's go up to some speed skips. So single skips, jump, 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 jump. Good, point those feet. For 4, for 3, for 2. Back to double bounce, double bounce. Good, they feel nice and easy after your speed skips. Keep breathing. Let's go for another round of speed, speed, speed. So go over 1 jump, 1 rotation. Good. And last couple, double bounce. Good. Well done. For 3, for 2, for 1, and you are done. Well done. I hope that's got your heart rate up and you are ready for whatever else you're going to do today. Now you're all warmed up, it's the perfect time to try our stretch band flexibility routine. And subscribe for more fun workouts.